Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, what is the probability that a leap year will contain 53 Thursdays? As in a 1 year, there are 365 days. Okay? A leap year has one more day than the ordinary year. So, a leap year has 366 days. As a year has 52 weeks. Okay? Hence, as there will be one Thursday in each week, hence there will be 52 Thursdays in 52 weeks. Okay? Now, in a week, there are 7 days. So, in a 52 weeks, there will be 52 into 7 means 364 days. So, 366 minus 364 means 2 days. So, we can write here, in a leap year, there will be 52 Thursdays and 2 days will be left. Okay? Now, these 2 days means possibilities of 2 days can be either these 2 days will be Sunday, Monday, or Monday, Tuesday, or Tuesday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay? So, here on these 7 outcomes, the favorable outcomes will be 2, means Wednesday, Thursday, or Thursday, Friday. Okay? So, the probability of getting 53 Thursdays in a leap year be 2/7.